Idaho homeowners living in rural communities like here in Garden Valley are having trouble securing home insurance, especially at a reasonable price, as insurance companies cite wildfire concerns. I'm your neighborhood reporter Brady Caskey, talking with one homeowner who was dropped from coverage altogether and says the system needs to change.
Fires here are a natural thing. You're standing in the woods, look around.
David Hoffman has lived in Garden Valley for a decade and says the community is well acquainted with wildfires. But he was recently dropped from his homeowner's insurance after last year's active fire season.
We're all being canceled.
David tells me he's not the only one. People all across Boise County are in the same boat. He says once he was dropped, he called close to 20 insurance companies with no luck until he finally got an offer that would cost him thousands of dollars a year.
I can't afford it.
Boise County Sheriff Scott Turner tells me he gets phone calls from neighbors all the time asking for advice when they can't afford their rising rates or can't get insured at all.
The answer is, they can't afford it, so therefore they just go without.
He says given the area's elevated fire risk, Boise County helps neighbors make sure their properties are fire safe, but says insurance companies don't take those efforts into account.
I don't really have an answer for these people because a lot of people are doing everything they can, and it's evidently still not enough.
Even with the recent complex fires near Garden Valley in 2024, Boise County has a strong track record protecting homes.
Very seldom do we lose a structure to a wildland fire.
And for residents like David, the huge rate increase feels unwarranted.
I'm 70 years old. I've never had a claim. Why are you keep upping my insurance? You're taking me out of my realm.
Now he's working with his mortgage company to find an insurance solution, calling on lawmakers to push for widespread change. I tried contacting a District 8 representative, but didn't get a response.
This affects the majority of Idaho. Most of Idaho's rural. So it affects people from here to Canada. This is a big deal. Insurance companies need to stop being bullies and taking advantage of people financially.
Reporting in Garden Valley, I'm Brady Caskey for Idaho News 6.